As the summer days have gotten longer and hotter, I find myself getting out early in the mornings to get a cool ride in before the crowds and the traffic get too hectic. This week I found myself out in the Cascade foothills once again for a nice cool morning ride under the canopy of the forest. Remember, whether riding on public roads or private roads, to always be respectful, tread lightly, and try to leave as little trace as possible that you were there, so that others can enjoy the natural beauty the same as you have. Sticking with the forest flow theme, take us back to last summer when I was up in the high Cascades of Central Washington, exploring spur roads that are no longer maintained by the Forest Department.